Hey guys, Scott Anderson here. Today I want to chat with you guys about how to earn $1,000 per day. I just finished watching a video. There's two super affiliates that created a program and 68 students combined were able to earn up to over $8 million within 1 year. Guys, I kind of did a video about this the other day. It's called Overnight Freedom. And if you click on the link below, I've got a link where you can watch the same video I just watched, learning how people, not how, but their stories of how they're making $1,000 per day. And in the link, there's a free ebook you can get where you can study and see all the different success that these students have had. So don't take my word for it. Just check out the link and check it out. Might be an awesome opportunity. Guys, thanks for watching. I'll be sharing more videos about this Overnight Freedom. It's a new awesome program that is just coming out right here in September 2019. The creators of this program are Rob and Jerry. They had a program before called the Ultimate Freedom, and that's where those students succeeded. Now they've made things even better and bundling it up into a new awesome product called the Overnight Freedom. So once again, don't take my word for it. Just check out the link below and see what you think. Thanks again, guys. Have an awesome day, and I will see you in the next video.